Hello, it's Quay Bell. I'm back with another video. I tried uploading a video yesterday. It didn't work. It was like a firework. They keep taking it down. YouTube, if you're listening to this, please don't take it down. Sorry if my face is all like blue. I've been eating this like sucker. But anyways, yeah, I'll show you what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be going straight through that pond in that kayak. So wish me good luck, and I'll roll to the next clip. See ya.
Going right through the sprinkler. Take a left.
I just want to say before I leave the video, ours actually wasn't too bad. Maybe in a long time in the future, when I get like a certain amount of subs, I'll jump in because that pond is disgusting. But anyways, I don't got too much to say. Anyways, just please like and subscribe. Love you guys all, and shout out to my brother and Sawyer. I don't know why, but I love you guys.